everyone. This is gonna be the start of a very stressful vlog because I am going to Australia for 2 weeks tomorrow, which is crazy. I don't think I'm mentally prepared for the flight. I am so nervous for the flight because I am flying from Miami to LA, have a layover there for like 5 or 6 hours. I think as of now I'm just gonna stay in the airport, but part of me is like, I kind of want to explore. I haven't been to LA in so long, like at least go to like Santa Monica or Manhattan Beach or something close to the airport. I think would be really fun, and I'll be with my friend. So honestly, I'm convincing myself as we speak that we should leave the airport and explore, especially because we will be in a plane for the next 15 hours or 16 hours, something insane. 5 to 6 hour flight from Miami to LA, and then staying there for a little bit. LA to Melbourne, which is like, I think a 15-hour flight, and then we have a layover, I think like a 2-hour layover there, and then we're going to Cairns. I believe it's pronounced Cairns. That's what everyone has been telling me. It's spelled Carnes, but I think it's pronounced Cairns. Not the one in France, the one in Australia. So I'm just going to be so exhausted, so tired. I'm like so scared of that, but I'm so excited to go to Australia, and I'm gonna take so many cute pictures. We're gonna do so many activities, and also it's winter there, so I need to pack like winter clothes even though I literally don't have any here. So that's my dilemma. So I watched this one girl that I have become obsessed with on YouTube. Her name's Morgan Riddle, and she dates a pro tennis player. So she like travels the world. She's pretty much like a pro traveler at this point, and I watched her packing video. So I bought everything she mentioned in that video because I was like, I need everything. Like, this girl packs so efficiently. I literally bought almost every single thing that she mentioned, and I'm gonna copy her like taking the photo, putting it in her notes so she knows what to wear trick, because I need to do that because I really want to look cute on this trip. Like, I bought some stuff from Revolve. I want to look cute. I don't know, I just want to feel good and like take a lot of photos and make this kind of a very like heavy content trip. I'm gonna vlog on TikTok, on YouTube, like I'm doing it all. Let's just get into packing. I think first thing I'm gonna start packing is just like outfits, and I'm gonna go by the city that we're in. So Cairns is warmer. I think it's like Miami where it's like 70, 80 in the winter still, so that's good. And then Melbourne and Sydney are a lot colder. I think it's like 30, 40 degrees, maybe not 30s, but like 40 degrees there it gets at night, and like I don't think it's gonna be any like thing past 50, so it's going to be really chilly. So let's just start packing a few outfits. So like I said, I saw this on TikTok, but the way that I have been planning my outfits is by taking photos of all the outfits I'm bringing, which is time consuming, but I want to make sure that I look cute, and then I select myself in the photos with Apple's new feature, and then I copy it and put it in my notes, and that way I know exactly which outfits to bring and what they look like, especially what they look like in photos as well, if they're comfy, what shoes I need to bring, everything. This is my first time trying this method, and I am obsessed. I don't think I'm gonna travel any other way. So I broke it down by city, and then I also broke it down by like my going out outfits. And for example, like going out outfits are pretty much just daytime outfits, but with different shoes. And before we hop back into the vlog, I did want to thank today's sponsor, which is Squarespace. Squarespace is by far the easiest way to build an online website, and you can create a beautiful website with their templates, and they're so customizable. No matter what website you have or what business you have, you can make it on Squarespace and make it look super unique. Like, look at all of these gorgeous sites off of Squarespace. All of these are with different templates, and they're all customizable, like I said, and they're just beautiful. I love looking on at their portfolio and getting inspo for Rella. Rella, actually, if you haven't noticed, has a new website. I've been teasing it for a while, but definitely go check it out at getrella.com and let me know what you think. I'm obsessed, but it was made on Squarespace. And if you guys want 10% off your first purchase, you can use my code Natalie Barbu, or go to squarespace.com/Natalie Barbu. Okay, so I packed all my outfits, and I truly do not own any color. This is the only piece of color that I have in this entire collection. It's so bad. I really don't have that much color in my closet though. If you look, like, here I have all of my black tank tops, my white tank tops. I have one little thing of green here, some orange. Here's like all my color in my shirts. Like, this is literally it. And then in my outfits, some things have color in it, but it's still like a black base, or it's pretty neutral. And then this is my only color. I think I have more color in my dresses, because a lot of like summer dresses are colorful, but I can't bring those to Australia since it is gonna be winter. I also cannot forget to pack a bathing suit. I forgot to pack that. So I have these packing cubes. My packing cubes are colorful. So gonna put everything in here. I think I'm gonna base it off of my outfits. I think that might be easier. There's some things I'm re-wearing in different cities, like the jackets, for example, but jackets don't fit into packing cubes anyways. So I think I'm going to pack, instead of like by pants or by shirt, I think I might do by city. And then here is how I did it. So I saw this again, like I said, on TikTok, was obsessed. So I have all of the outfits here, and you can like slide through them with what I'm wearing each day. So that way I don't have to be confused with, wait, what should I wear? What goes well together? What did I pack? I have everything in my notes, so I don't even have to think about it when I'm there. And then I'm gonna pack some comfy clothes and some workout clothes, because I do wanna work out while I'm there. So let's hope all of this fits into 2 suitcases. I think it will. I'm bringing a big one and then a carry-on. But yeah, like truly, I do not have color. Like, it's kind of sad, but I also don't like wearing color. Like, I just don't, it's not me. I don't ever wear it. I just feel so much more confident in my neutrals, but seeing it all together like this, I'm like, wow. And then if you look on my Instagram right now, I only own black, white, and neutrals. Again, this is like the only thing with color in it, and it's pink. So yeah, it's pretty sad, but also I'm okay with it. Now, time to pack my toiletries. I always do this the next day so that I can like use all my products, see what I need to use, and then I end up packing them. And I don't need to be at the airport until 2 today, so I actually do have a little bit of time, but I'm very overwhelmed because I have so much work that I need to do before 2. So I'm gonna try to get everything packed, like suitcase zipped up, everything done, all the things, and then do all my work. I wanted to work out this morning, but I woke up a little late. It's 8:30, so I just don't think I have time. I'll see, like, once I'm done packing, if I get my work done super quickly, maybe I can work out right before, because I'm not going to put my makeup on today, since I will be in or on a plane for like 24 hours. This is another thing that I got from Morgan from her video. So it's this toiletry bag. It looked so handy in her video, so I'm gonna try it for the first time. So it has all of these different compartments, and then you can also like have it hanging, which I love, but it opens like this. So you can put like full-sized toiletries, and I feel like it just fits so much, so efficient. So I'm gonna start loading this up. This is such a convenient product. So look at everything that I have in here, and this is all going to fit in this one case. So I have both my hairbrushes. This one is for my slick back buns. This one's just like once I get out of the shower, which honestly I feel like I don't really need to take this one. I could just like run my fingers through my hair, but that's fine. In here I have like everything. So I have my full size, like it's literally this size, it's huge, lotion for my face and my body, my vitamin C serum, my makeup remover, silver that I put on my face, full-size shampoo, full-size conditioner, toothpaste, eye cream, face wash, sunscreen, toothbrush, and then over here I have my leave-in conditioner, and over here I have my Dr. Dennis Gross peel pads, I have my toothbrush, tweezers, and then on the side over here I have the Flamingo dermaplaning product and then the razor. This is incredible, and this is all going to zip up and fit. That's awesome. And then I can just hang it up whenever I get anywhere. I don't have to like undo anything. I mean, I could hang it up. I feel like things might fall, so like maybe I have to undo some stuff, but regardless, this is incredible. Here's all my stuff. I have all my packing cubes. I packed it by city that I'm going to instead of by like article of clothing. And then I also have my shoes over there. My room's kind of a mess, but I'm gonna pack my carry-on first, and then I'm gonna pack the bigger suitcase. I think I'm done packing pretty much. I just need to zip up my suitcase. But I have my compression socks on for the long flights. I got them off Amazon. I'm going to have everything linked below. This vlog is not going to be aesthetic. It's not one of those like cutesy B-roll vlogs. This is a practical, I'm traveling on a plane for 20 hours. This is what I'm doing. So hope you enjoy it. But yeah, so packed everything here. I still have room that if I do go shopping, which I probably will because I really love Australian fashion, then I can still fit some stuff. I brought my podcast mic because I feel like I'm going to record a podcast while I'm there. That's an old mic. I forgot to bring the ones that are in my office. I have a bunch of shoes. My makeup is in here. I have a week's worth of supplements in here and a week's worth of supplements in my carry-on. I just didn't want to seem sketchy if I'm like, why do you have so many pills, even though it's supplements. I brought disposables. I might bring another purse, but honestly, I feel like I shouldn't. Yeah, I don't think I should. I don't have space. I'll buy one if anything. So I brought disposable cameras. I brought my finals hat because we're definitely going to be watching the finals while we're there. Extra pair of sweatpants to be cozy. My toiletries, so you guys can see like how big it is in the suitcase. Like, it really doesn't take up that much space and it fits literally everything in it. I really want a beige bag. I have the beige, like the my laptop bag is beige, but I really want her suitcase, so I just don't want to spend the money on it. So if they want to send it to me, but this is good enough. But I would be much happier with a beige bag. And then I'll be wearing my watch on the plane. I need to put it on before I forget. I'm just so stressed. I still have some work I need to do and I need to leave in literally less than 1 hour.